Ensuring a Future with Water by Dr. Deepak Chaudhary's Mission in Palghar. Where there is water, there is a future. This saying holds particularly true for the Palghar district, where every summer brings a severe water crisis. Women walk long distances to fetch a single pot of water, and farmers rely on tankers for drinking water. Despite being just 100 to 150 kilometers from Mumbai, areas like Jabhar, Vikramgarh, Mokhada, and Dahanu face chronic water shortages. This situation becomes dire each year, with this April seeing only 37% of the required water available. A delayed monsoon could worsen the crisis even further. Globally, only 2.5% of all water is a fresh water suitable for drinking, with the remaining 97.5% being salt water. In Palghar, Dr. Chaudhary has dedicated himself to addressing this critical issue. Through extensive research and visits to nearly all villages in the district, he has gained a deep understanding of the water crisis and has taken actionable steps to mitigate it. As a district governor for Lions International, Dr. Chaudhary witnessed firsthand the struggles of tribal farmers, especially women, who walk several kilometers even during the monsoon to fetch water. They spend 7 to 8 hours daily on this task, yet water remains scarce for drinking or irrigation. Realizing the urgency, Dr. Chaudhary engaged with local farmers, villagers, and experts to find a sustainable solution. The consensus was clear. Constructing small check dams or water reservoirs was the way forward. These check dams, built using scientifically approved methods with reinforced cement concrete, typically span 20 to 40 meters in length and 2 to 3 meters in height. Constructed with quality materials like steel and cement, they have a lifespan of approximately 20 to 25 years and cost between 10 to 40 lakhs. These dams store rainwater, providing a consistent supply for drinking, agriculture, and livestock even during dry seasons. Additionally, they help recharge groundwater levels, benefiting the entire community. Water scarcity often forces farmers to migrate to cities for employment, disrupting their children's education. Thanks to Dr. Chaudhary's efforts, farmers now have a stable income by producing flowers and vegetables, and livestock now no longer struggle to find water. Inspired by the success of his initial projects, Dr. Chaudhary constructed around 18 check dams in 2018. Initially, the government of Maharashtra funded 55% of the cost, but this support ceased post 2020 until Dr. Chaudhary built around 80 check dams with the help of Lions International and CSR partners since 2018, with a combined capacity of approximately 125 crore liters of water. This year, about 15 additional check dams are planned. These dams ensure water availability for various purposes, fostering economic stability and resilience in the region. Even today, visiting fields in Palghar district reveals the joy and relief brought by water conservation efforts. Dr. Chaudhary has implemented modern water purification projects, including solar pumps and pipeline systems, to lift water from wells to fields. Clean water is now available for school children and farmers, and each field or plot tells us a success story. Driven by his commitment, Dr. Chaudhary has embarked on Mission 100, aiming to construct 100 dams with collective cooperation. However, the region urgently needs thousands of check dams to combat persistent water scarcity. He tirelessly continues his efforts, transforming entire village and plots, making farmers self-reliant and enabling proper education for their children. The endeavor represents a social, economic, and humanitarian revolution made possible.